Cannot launch any apps on Windows and getting the Windows cannot find C:\program files error? We have you covered. Here are 2 ways you can easily solve it. This is the Windows Club. This Windows cannot find program files error is caused by incorrect debuggers or filters created for these programs under the Image File Execution Options registry key. Perform the 2 solutions shown here and you will be able to solve it. Let's get started. Method 1. If you have uninstalled Avast recently or if it's still installed in your system, then the first thing you need to do is update it to the latest version or reinstall it. To update it, open Avast settings and go to General. Select Update and click on Check for updates. And if any updates are available, download and install them. Once done, restart your PC. If you have uninstalled it, go to their official website and download and install it from there. Method 2. If the Avast method doesn't work for you, it isn't applicable for you, then edit the IFEO key in the registry as shown. Press Windows key plus R to open Run. Type regedit and hit Enter to open Registry Editor. Navigate to the shown path or simply copy-paste it in the address bar of the Registry Editor. The path is given in the description of this video. Now on the left pane, scroll through the list of executables under the IFEO key until you find that app or program that will not open. Next, click on the app executable entry. On the right pane, right-click any debugger entry and select Delete. You can perform the same steps for any other applications that are not launching. Restart your computer. If this doesn't work, then navigate to the same registry path. Click on the app executable entry again under IFEO key. On the right pane, right-click any use filter entry and select Delete. Do this for all the apps not launching. Restart your PC. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.